Towering above Rio de Janeiro, with arms outstretched in a gesture of love and peace, Christ the Redeemer is more than just a statue, it's a global icon. Known for its breathtaking presence on Mount Corcovado, this masterpiece has become a symbol of faith, unity, and Brazilian culture. Join us today as we explore 5 fascinating facts about Christ the Redeemer that will make you see it in a whole new light. Fact 1. It was built as a symbol of peace. Did you know that Christ the Redeemer wasn't just created to be a striking visual landmark? It was built to promote peace and unity among the people of Brazil. Completed in 1931, it stands as a testament to faith and solidarity, offering hope in times of uncertainty. Its open arms embody a universal message: everyone is welcome. Fact 2. It took 9 years to complete. The construction of Christ the Redeemer was no small task. It took 9 years to design, sculpt, and assemble. French sculptor Paul Lewandowski crafted the statue in pieces, which were then transported to Brazil. Engineers Heitor da Silva Costa and Albert Coquo oversaw the monumental feat of putting it all together on the top of Mount Corcovado. Imagine scaling a mountain to create this masterpiece. Fact 3. Made from soapstone and concrete, it might surprise you to learn what the statue is made of. Christ the Redeemer is built with reinforced concrete as its core, and the outer layer is covered in soapstone tiles. Why soapstone? Because of its durability and resistance to weathering. Plus, its soft, almost luminous texture gives the statue its ethereal, welcoming appearance. Fact 4. Struck by lightning multiple times, standing at 98 feet tall atop a 26-foot pedestal on a mountain. Christ the Redeemer is an easy target for lightning. Over the years, it has been struck multiple times during storms. One famous incident in 2014 even damaged part of its right thumb. Thankfully, the statue undergoes regular maintenance to keep it looking perfect, no matter what nature throws its way. Fact 5. One of the new 7 wonders of the world. In 2007, Christ the Redeemer earned its place among the new 7 wonders of the world, a well-deserved recognition of its cultural and architectural significance. It's visited by nearly 2 million people every year and remains one of the most photographed landmarks on the planet. Whether you view it from the base or from an aerial shot, it's nothing short of breathtaking. Christ the Redeemer is more than just a work of art. It's a symbol of hope, peace, and welcome that resonates with people from all walks of life. From its incredible construction to its enduring cultural significance, it stands as a beacon that unites us all. Which fact about Christ the Redeemer surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories about the world's most inspiring landmarks. Thanks for watching.